Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another review. Today is March 7th, which marks 2 years of me being on YouTube. Isn't that crazy? Can't believe it's been already 2 years. But, yeah, it's been a long ride. Today, this is one of the requested videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what exactly is the difference between the tropical rucksack from the Vietnam War era and the medium Alice pack, which replaced that one. So let's take a look at them. So over here is the X frame for the tropical rucksack. It's modeled right after the Arvin rucksack, except it's just made on a bigger scale. It uses nylon straps. It has a nylon kidney strap. Now you can get reproduction straps for the frame, but so far they don't make them yet for the bag. And I'll show you. So here's the Alice pack frame, and here is the X frame. So it's definitely a lot taller than the X frame, and it's a little bit wider. But I actually have this one off the bag because I have a special project for this bag. And then here's the bag itself, the tropical ruck. It's got webbing across it, just like the medium Alice pack does, except it's got eyelets all over. That one is a newer model, so it doesn't. And then the main pocket, or the exterior pockets, has plastic snaps, just like the M67 gear. And it has more squared out pockets, just like the ones that you'd find on a lightweight rucksack. And they are hollowed out in the back, just like on the medium Alice pack. They all do have drain holes at the bottom, and in the main compartment, which is shaped kind of like a half moon almost, or like a thumbnail, is webbing, so you can hang a sleeping bag or something like that. And it does have drain holes at the bottom. Unfortunately, if you look closely, these 1-inch buckles are broken, which I got extra ones right here, taken from old Alice suspenders. I just got to get them sewn on there. And then flipping around to the back here, you can see that the straps are permanently attached. So if these ones are damaged in any way, unfortunately you'd have to find a way to rig them up somehow. They're sewn down here at the bottom, and you can see where the kidney pad and the frame would connect. And they both sides do feature a quick release, like so. Now this side is pretty interesting because when I got this 1-inch buckle was, see, these are made out of aluminum, these Vietnam era ones, so they break a lot easier. And this one was fixing to break, so I actually contacted the guy who makes these reproduction straps, and he made me this piece specially. So that's really generous of him, and definitely got really lucky, because if this piece would have broken, then there's no real way to replace that without, I guess, finding one or just buying a new ruck, which, as you guys know, that these things aren't cheap. At the bottom here, you can see the stamp. It says Rucksack Tropical. It is from '68, just like most of them. It has a 1-inch snap right here. Going to take a look on the sides. I do have the original 4 nylon webbing, I guess, straps, or things that guys would pull around their, wrap around their legs to keep the leeches in Vietnam from getting up in there. And then it does feature webbing on the side. Here's what the main flap looks like. It does have this weird looking Velcro pocket, map pocket up here. And it's made out of, on the inside, the poncho liner material. It does feature the adjuster toggle, just like the same one off of a tropical ruck, or I mean a lightweight ruck. And then inside it's just got a pillow to fill the space, and that's what that looks like. Then moving over here is the medium mouse pack. You guys have all seen these before. It's got the mat pocket, except it's a lot bigger and better. It's got the 3 exterior pockets, just like the Tropical Ruck. It's got the webbing on the sides. They did not issue webbing straps for this one. And then on the inside, it does feature a Prick 77 radio pocket. So that is the differences between the Vietnam era Tropical Ruck, which is a lot more expensive. I think I paid, gosh, I want to say $175 for this one with shipping. Usually though, I've seen people on eBay pay $200-300 for these things. I think that's a ridiculous price. If you guys are looking for one, I'd recommend Facebook groups. You can usually find them for a little bit cheaper. I won't ever pay $300 for a rucksack, I know that much. And then these ones are obviously $20-25. If you guys have any questions about this stuff or want to see more about it, just go ahead and let me know, and have a nice day.